I recite the rhymes. My rhymes name, rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away. Come again on another day. Little Johnny wants to pay. Rain, rain, go away. My name is Junaida Jafrin. I want to recite a rhyme. My rhyme name is Twinkle, Twinkle. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. How I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Hello, my name is Appika. Gokto Gupto. I will recite a rhyme. My rhyme name is Omedona Hele Form. Omedona Hele Form. E-I-E-I-O. Only funny has some cows. E-I-E-I-O. Moo and moo there, moo there, moo every moo Omedona Hele Form. E-I-E-I-O. Only funny has some pets. E-I-E-I-O. Meow meow and meow meow there. Dona Hele Form. E-I-E-I-O. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Muhammad Faidaswat. I want to write rhymes. My rhymes name is Red Bird, Blue Bird. Red Bird, Blue Bird, come and dance. Red Bird, Blue Bird, let's go to France. Red Bird, Blue Bird, give me a tick. Tick, tick, tick. Tick, tick, tick. Thank you. My name is Radhika. I want to recite the rhymes. My rhymes name is Baba Black Sheep. Baba Black Sheep, have you any wool? Rex hat, three legs full. One for the master, one for the day. Little boy next down the day. Baba, my rhyme name is Baba Black Sheep. Baba Black Sheep, have you anyone? Yes sir, three bags for. One for the master, one for the day. One for the little boy who lives on the land. Assalamu alaikum, miss. I am Isra Samin. I am reciting rhymes. This is Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. How I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. How I wonder what you are. Thank you, miss. Assalamu alaikum, miss. And my lovely friend, Johnny, yes, Papa. It is okay, no, Papa. Tania, no, Papa. Open your mouth. Ha, ha, ha. Assalamualaikum. I am Akibur Rahman. I want to recite rhymes. My rhymes is rain, go away. Rain, go away. Come again another day. Little baby wants to play. Rain, go away. Thank you. Bye-bye. My name is Ashia Mehmat. I want to recite the rhymes. My rhymes name is Baba Black Sheep. Meh, meh. Baba Black Sheep, have you any wool? Yes, I. Three bags full. One for the master and one for the Yes, my name is Johnny Johnny. Johnny Johnny, yes Papa. Eating noodle, no Papa. Telling lies, no Papa. Open your mouth, ha ha ha. My name is Aisha. I'm listening our rhymes. My rhymes name is Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? Mother Jones, Mother Jones. Morning bells are ring ring. Morning bells are ring ring. Ding dong dong. Ding ding dong. My name is Sana Sade. I listen the rhymes. My rhymes name is Baba Blessing. Baba Blessing. Happy ending. Ooh. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Three bad for one for the mother, one for the dame, one for the leading boy who lives down the lane. Bye bye. My name is Sadaraman Zafna. I want to recite a rhymes. My rhyme's name is Twinkle, 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 Little Star. How I wonder what you are. Up the puffs are so high, like a diamond in the sky. My name is Amina Islam. I would like to say rhyme. My rhyme's name is Baba Black Sheep. Baba Black Sheep, happy on you. Yes sir, yes sir. Three bags full. One for the master, one for the dame, and one for the little one who lives down the land. Thank you. সবাইকে ঈদের শুভেচ্ছা। My name is Nazifa Ahmed Sabi. I recite a rhyme. My rhyme name is Johnny Johnny. Johnny Johnny is Papa. Eating sugar, no Papa. Telling lies, no Papa. Open your mouth, ha ha ha. Thank you. Assalamualaikum. My name is Esam Faraz. I want to recite the rhymes. My name is Two Little Ducks. Two little ducks and out one day over the hill and far away. Mother ducks and coo coo coo. Only a little duck came back. Thank you. Assalamualaikum, Miss. My name is Sadat Khan Zafi. I will recite a rhyme. My name is Bebe Passin. Bebe Passin. Have a own essa tea bag full on the master and on the demi and on the eating boy we have down the end. Hello guys, my name is Ron. I want to reset and rhyme. My rhyme is